You were in the darkness with no control over yourself, and all of a sudden, you were born. Although this is not you, this is Greenpeace, but did you know that there is something in common between you and the Greenpeace? That is, you both inherited something from your parents. This phenomenon has its own field of study called genetics. Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics, did an experiment on green peas and found out that the appearance of each green pea is determined by the traits of its parents. But there is more. Research suggests that we inherit more than appearance from our parents. We also inherit our intelligence. Technically speaking, we inherit our IQ from our parents. How do scientists know this? They used a method called twin and adoption study. This method is useful when you want to distinguish the variables between nature and nurture. Basically, you compare twins who were raised in the same environment with the twins who were raised in different environments. And you use twins because they share the same genetic information. The only thing that is different about the two groups is the environment. If your dependent variable was coherent between the two groups, then that indicates that nature is playing a role in determining your Y. In this case, it is your intelligence. There are many studies that research the relationship between genetics and intelligence, and they all come to the conclusion that your intelligence is affected by your parents' intelligence. You're wondering to what degree, right? 50%. This is 50%. This is 50%. And that's how much this inherits IQ from mom and dad. Now you have an excuse for getting a bad grade on a test.
Son, explain.
You know what they say, like father, like son. Or, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Or in Japan they say, frog's child is a frog.
I think you got it from your mom.
I heard that.
Or, when you get a good grade,
Son, I am very proud of you. Thank you for your hard work.
no father, thank you for mating with such a smart woman.
Oh, I didn't expect to hear that from my son.
But really, if you're smart, be thankful to your parents. And if you're not so smart, don't blame yourself. As I said, 50% is what you get. 50% of your full potential is what you get. There is a distinction between you and the green peas. They can't do much. They'll grow where they're planted. You, on the other hand, have the power to make a choice. So, what do you see? Are they half empty? Are they half full? Or do you see a space for growth? Thank you.